Hi, friends, in this tutorial we are going to build an animated home using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As you can see, I have created 3 files here. We will go through each of these in this video. Let's start with the HTML part. First, we will create the left roof of the home. Create the div tag as shown and set the class attribute to left arm. We will use this class attribute later to style the left roof of the home. Then, we will create a triangle for the upper side of the home. In total, the home has 3 windows. Each window opens from the left and right side. Now, let's create the top window or the third window. The back window represents when the window is opened. Set the ID and class attributes for each left and right window as shown. When the left window is clicked, the left window function is called. Similarly, the right window function is called when a right window is clicked. Next, similar to the left roof, we will create a div tag for the right roof. Then create a div tag for the chimney and set its class attribute to chimney. We will now work on the lower side of the home. Create a rectangle and set its class attribute as shown here. We will now create a left or first window, similar to how we created the top window earlier. In case of confusion, you can pause and rewatch this video. Lastly, create the right or second window as shown here. Then, we shall build a sign or name board like this. You can also add images of rabbits, as I have added to enhance the background. Next, we'll create a door to our home. The class back door represents an open door, whereas the class door represents a closed door. To create a door handle, we will simply use the period punctuations and later apply styles like font size and color. We will now have a look at the CSS part. I have added comments throughout the CSS file for better understanding. I would highly recommend experimenting with these properties and modifying them if required. In case of confusion, please pause and read the comments. the JavaScript file. First, we need to access the elements before applying the JavaScript function to them. Here's how I did it. We will now create a toggle door function to open and close the door when the mouse clicks. When clicked, it will switch the class from door to door open. Remember that switching the class also changes the CSS styles we applied to the closed door. Also, recall that we have set a greeting GIF for the class backdoor that refers to the door when it is opened. Thus, the background size and position refer to this image. Now, we will create the left window function to open and close all the left windows. For each left window, we have the ID attribute as left plus a digit. For instance, left 3 denotes the left side of the third or top window. Thus, we can easily access the ID attributes for each window by getting the last character of their ID. Similar to the door, when the left window is clicked, it switches its class from window to window open. Suppose we remove the if block from the left window function. What would change? Well, as you can see, if we remove the if block, the door will overlap the second or the right window, potentially impacting the home's visual appearance. The right window function follows the same format as the left window function, with the only difference being that there is no need to include the if block or the Z index here. Well done! We have now created a simple animated home. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to view similar interactive web development projects.